In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you can check your analytics of your Twitter post. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you try it for yourself. So first of all, you have to open your Twitter. Now you have to click on your icon in the top left corner. After that, you will have an interface like this. So here you have to simply click on profile option in the top. After that, you will have an interface like this. So here you have to open your random post. Let's say I will open this post here. After that, you will see a little option called view post activity. So now you have to simply click on view post activity. After that, as you can see, that is my view post activity. Here 2 engagement and 33 impressions, and that is how you can see your Twitter post analytics. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one.